We now determine the value of t such that the equality is true. So here we have t cube minus t comma zero point 0.5 t square plus t, and so this equals 0 comma 7. So therefore the first component should be the same as plus the second component should be the same. So we can set up the equation t cube minus 10t, and this equals 0. I factor t from both terms. So when I do that, I get t squared minus 10, and this equals 0. So either t equals 0 or t squared minus 10 equals 0. So we can solve for t from this equation, that is t squared equals 10, and we take square root on both sides to solve for t. So we get t equals plus or minus square root of 10. Let's now verify the value of t such that the second equation is true. That is, the second equation is zero point 0.5 t squared plus 2 equals 7. Let's plug in t equal to 0 and verify that. So this is zero point 0.5 times of 0 squared plus 2, and we are basically asking if this is 7. This is 0, and so here we have 2 equals 7, and this is not true. So we do not consider the value of t equals 0. We can ignore this. Now let's consider the other two values, that is t equal to plus or minus root 10. First I consider t equal to root 10, and we plug it here, so it becomes zero point 0.5 times root 10 square plus 2, and we will see if this equals 7. So this is zero point 0.5 times root 10 square is 10 plus 2, and this equals 7.5. 10 times 10 equals 5. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. So this gives 7 equal to 7, and this is true. So we can consider this value of t equal to root 10. Now let's consider the value of t equals negative root 10 and verify the second equation. So therefore this becomes zero point 0.5 times of negative of root 10 quantity square plus 2, and we are checking if this equals 7. So once again this is zero point 0.5 times negative root 10 quantity square is positive 10 plus 2, and this equals 7. We just check. So zero point 0.5 times 10 is 5, and then 5 plus 2 is 7, so we get 7 equals 7. Once again we get 7 equal to 7, which is a true condition. So therefore we see that only these two values of t, that is positive root 10 and negative root 10, satisfies this equality. So therefore the two values of t are, this is root 10 and negative of root 10.